Hey, you guys, welcome back. Sean and Alice here. Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. Where are we at today, Alice?
We're at Splash West Tower. It is 904.
Yeah, we're in unit 904 West. She can't read my chicken scratch handwriting, but we are in a listing. I'm sorry, bro, I'm probably going to chop up your name, but maybe I'll get it right next time. We're at Ben Ward's listing, and he is with Crye-Leike Coastal Realty. So thanks, Ben, for allowing us to do this buyer's agent preview of your condo listing here at Splash. Let's take a spin around the unit.
All right, then.
So I'm going to take you guys out to the front here and then come back inside. So we're right on the front porch here. This is the west tower of Splash. There's the parking structure across the way, just behind Alvin's Island. This section with all the windows there is where you have a short-term rental vacation office there for check-in, the Vacasa check-in area, and then you have a enclosed walkover. So if it's raining and you're parked in the garage, don't worry. It's beautiful in there. You're not going to get wet. Pier Park over there, you see the Ferris wheel off in the distance. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the pool in a minute, but here to prove to you, we're at unit 904. So right as we enter, we have a tile floor.
This is a 1-bedroom, 2 bathrooms with a bunk in the hallway.
1 bedroom. Let's start with that. Okay, transitions to LVP floor here. This bedroom has a window that would be on the walkway side that we were just looking at. Looks like about 9-foot ceilings in here. And the bathroom transitions to tile again. With a nice good size soaker tub with a shower as well. All right, for point of orientation, there's the front door that we just came through. And if we were to continue straight down the hall, we would see the bunk area here. And our cute buyer's agent just waiting for us. You gonna make lunch?
No.
Drinks?
Ooh.
Maybe after
Okay.
you guys close on it, then she'll make drinks. So this is your guest bath that has a shower. What you doing?
So they do have stainless steel appliances, and looks like this stuff is brand new because I still see plastic over here. Squeaky clean. And there's plastic in the corner. Those probably original, or not as new as that, but very nice condition. Behind door number 1 here, we have the laundry and the mechanics.
Oh, and a popcorn microwave. That's my version of small microwave. Just got your laundry, electrical panel, your water heater. I'm guessing that is a, let's see if I can tell here. Yeah, it's a 50. I was going to say it looks like a 45, but it's a 50 gallon. And looks like the unit was either, the air unit was replaced in June 25th, 19, or serviced at least. So again, your dishwasher and your sink. Granite countertop. And then your living room. I know you want to go out there.
The view.
We're actually going to take one spin out here and let you open the door. One of these days we'll switch jobs and I'll... No? I'm not, I can't not be the cameraman. I can't be the star someday.
You're my star.
Oh, she's so sweet.
I love the way it's like that.
Just feels weird you opening doors for me, so that's the job I was talking about. But check out the Gulf, and right directly below us, let's see if the gimbal will allow me to do this. Got another couple of pools over there outside, and you can see all the way down the beach to the west there. Amazing sunsets all year round from this balcony.
It's an awesome location because you can see both ends.
Let's take a peek that way again. Oh yeah, you're right. We can see all the way to St. Andrews State Park from this balcony. Awesome.
Do you want to go check the water park downstairs?
Let's do that.
Super cool.
Let's do that. Okay, back to the splash experience. We're now in the elevator. Headed down to the lobby. All right, you guys, we will get to the pool, but we wanted to show you there's also this arcade area. Now this is getting serious. On the Batman. What are you doing? Oh, you have to put money in. No!
Money.
I gave all of my change to the piggy bank. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We'll show you the pool in a second. But if you wanted to hang out with some of your family that was playing video games, but you still wanted to have a Gulf view while they are doing that, got you covered.
Red flags today.
Yeah, only one though.
Right.
So that means be careful.
That means no.
Well, I saw a few people out there and they look like they're being careful. Got some air hockey here, and we're gonna take you out to one of the coolest areas. It's covered and it's kind of like a play area, but it is so loud with the water that that's probably all you're gonna hear. So we're not gonna say anything. We're just gonna show it to you, and then we'll go check out some of the other pools. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wow! So we have a hot tub area and another pool. And we're going to start heading east to see the other pools. So right beneath us, we're in this walkway right now. Right beneath us, there's a crosswalk to go over to Alvin's Island. If you run out of any suntan lotion, pop your raft, whatever, you got another one there. And then there's a public beach access point between the two towers here. That's public beach access point number 74. There's a little shaved ice stand beneath us. And I'm going to continue to follow Alice through the resort. There's a great sitting area here if you want to read a book and stay out of the sun and still look at the Gulf. We got a door and some stairs that go down to the pool that is partially covered from the sun.
A lazy river right there.
Oh, wow, cool. Wow. Nice. And then, of course, you have the sunshine and the sand. And the phone is ringing. So we are going to wrap this video up here. Go ahead and tell them what to do, Alice.
Click the like button, the subscribe button, and leave us a comment below if you like this video, if you'd like to see any other ones.
And if you want to buy the unit that we just took a tour of, give her a call. We'll leave contact information below, and we will catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.